The winner in the mirror. If you haven't seen a winner, it's the right time to look at yourself in the mirror. You've won a number of battles, even though you were not given the necessary titles. You were the conqueror beyond all odds, and all you should do is just to connect the dots. I know you might be struggling with self-doubt, but it shouldn't stop you from making yourself proud. You were born to win, so take your crown like a king or queen. You are the winner who is standing in front of the mirror. Some may see you as an unrealistic dreamer, but remember that you are a true leader. You are leading a crowd that doesn't have a cheerleader, so don't await applause. This life doesn't come wrapped in a box accompanied by a manual, so why should you leave it the usual? Draft and follow your own plan, but remember it might need few tweaks now and then. Your competition is right in front of you when you're looking yourself in the mirror. Between you and the person in the mirror, one has to be the winner. If you see yourself while looking in the mirror, that means you are the winner, but not just the winner, instead, the winner in the mirror.